Serving Centralians and the community, the Central Philippine University and Central Philippine University Alumni Association Incorporated launched this program, Central Point. Central Point, your program of information for Centralians and non-Centralians alike, boldly and intelligently discussing and sharing views, opinions, and analysis on significant issues of the day. Central Point. And now, your hosts.
Okay, welcome sa ating program Central Point. We're very, masadya kita din sa programa natin subong live sa programa Central Point because, well, I am the flower among the thorns. But anyway, we're very happy and thanks God, nagapanubalik ang programa Central Point. Kag hopefully we can deliver sa inyo sang amon sining serbisyo publiko pinagi sa inyong programa. And we're naga-live kita suwang diri sa CPU TV channel 31 of Sky Cable. And this is brought to you by the CPU Alumni Association Incorporated and the Central Philippine University under Dr. Ted Robles. And of course, ang aton CPU Alumni Association Incorporated President Dr. Fix Molina. And tonight, masadya ang panahon, masadya ang aton studios kay mga maanyag nga mga kabulakan ang ari disumong sa akon nga ingod hindi na ako makabalo mag-meet lang kuno matinaga i-meet lang ko, but certainly we're very happy si Michelle Oledo is watching right now, no, nagapayo-ayo pa may ginabatsyag, but certainly sa aton pagpangalagad pag-updan kita sa mga nasilikogina, mga maanyag nga kabulakan from the president down to the, and of course would like to introduce first my guest nagabalik nga akon nga host, akon partner sa madugay nga panahon way kabalik si Attorney Sweet Maloney Sanchez. Madam, welcome sa programa, your program Central Point.
Yes, thank you gid partner, Attorney Joshua Alim, kag sa tanan nga viewers ang Central Point. I welcome myself. Welcome back. It's been a while, I think mga a year and a half or 2 years nga wala kita naka-host diri. Pagsulod ko pa lang sa set, do nahidlaw na ko dayon mag-uyat sang mikropono, kag makita kag nahidlawan ko gid ang akon nga partner nga si Attorney Joshua Alim, kag ginakalipay ko gid nga bisan temporarily nakabalik kita sa Central Point kag kaupod naton ang mga kung hambal ni Attorney Joshua Alim ang mga maanyag nga mga kaupod ko sa JCI Iloilo Ilang-Ilang.
Anyway, partner din ka nagalin nga nadula ikaw. Ano natabo sa kabuhi mo?
Partner,
Share man sa ating mga televiewers, they're very eager to know that, what happened to you.
Kung makita sa mga televiewers naging healthy kita,
Why?
it's because nga hindi kita naging chef, but it's because naging mommy na kita.
Wow, congratulations.
Yes, partner, I'm so proud to say nga, finally, amo ining ginahibi-hibi ko sa kamera sang unang, ginhaba ko nga pangamuyuan yung gid ako partner nga, tani mahatagan kita sang isa ka baby nga excited kita maging mommy, so gin-answer na ni Lord ang aton prayers, no, naging mommy kita, so amo na ginhamba ko we need to give up, no, give up nato na iba naton nga mga tiyempo kay isa na kita kananay, medyo nagdako kita because
Mayong pagpalangga.
amo nang pagpalangga kag nami ang feeling ikaw partner
Is he watching right now?
Ha?
Is he watching right now?
5 months pa lang. Wala pa siya nagakamang. But
ang
my
nagapalangga,
husband, I hope so. But wala ko na hambal nga mag-guest ako subong sa iya.
Okay.
But anyway, may replay ini partner. And okay lang na, may replay ini
You
partner.
can have a copy of this, kag i-play sa inyo balay.
Yes,
Okay.
yes. So,
But you can start greeting him now.
yes, my husband, Rochin Sherwin, doon nalipat ako sa Rochin Sherwin Sanchez of San Miguel. And of course, my daughter, bisan hindi pa siya makaintindi, no? 5 months siya subong partner, si Cherie Margaret. Ang ihayo, si Baby Twinkle.
Twinkle.
Twinkle Little Star.
Okay, nice. Okay.
Okay.
Sige, damasadya na ito na pag-istorya subong kay nag-umpisa kita sa malipayon nga pambukas. Partner, can you do the honor introducing our guest subong nga pagpangalagan natin? I know we'll be discussing a lot sa aton nga programa. Kaya sino nga itong mga guest? Nag-uniform sang JCI. Wow.
Yes, partner. If you can recall, partner, it's been many times nga naga-guest diri ang JCI Iloilo Ilang-Ilang kag it's all women members no Iloilo chapter diri sa Iloilo. Unahon ko gid of course ang aton pinakaanyag nga presidente subong sa JCI Iloilo Ilang-Ilang. Let's welcome President JCI Iloilo Ilang, Essie Antonano.
Isla sa sabang?
Ha?
Sorry.
Siya. Oo.
Hello, sir and Madam Sweet,
Oo.
our past president. Hello to everyone who's watching.
Single.
Good evening.
Partner, single.
Single?
Oo. May
Single.
paaman nga introduction.
Single.
Okay.
Okay, sige.
Ang masunod naton.
Takot single.
Yes. Ang masunod naton, of course, our Vice President for Internal Affairs. Isa man ka abogado, si Madam Press is a lawyer, no? Si Attorney Essie. Ni siya is also a prosecutor. Prosecutor Carol Salvatierra, welcome.
Maayong gabi, Madam Sweet and Attorney Joshua. Salamat sa abi-abi naman sa amon liwat.
The ever-smiling Carol.
Oo.
Yeah.
Single.
Ginunahan na, single. And may
Balaan ko
sumpon
pa ng
ako.
kuto naman ko gyapon.
Single and available.
Ah, really?
Of course.
Okay.
Okay.
Sige, doon sa dyan eh.
Okay. Ang isa naton ka guest, of course, isa man ka abogado. Director naman siya for business. Ari kaupod naton si Attorney Lori Grace Setias.
Hello, good evening, sir. Madam Sweet, mayong gabi. Kag thank you, Gid, for having us here tonight.
Single?
Single.
Yeah, sa tingin ko.
Sa mga televiewers, sa mga
sa dyan
single
eh.
man, okay?
Umpisa na ka muna tali-tali.
Yes. Kaupod man naton diri ang Director for Individual Development, single man, si Madam Mitz Rose Ganela or Madam Pang Ganela. Welcome, Ma'am Pang.
Good evening, Madam Sweet
Si
and
Pang is
Attorney.
engineer? You're an engineer?
Yes, sir.
Engineer, yes,
Okay.
An
yes.
alumni also of CPU.
Nice.
Good
Si
evening.
Engineer Pang. Welcome.
Engineer Pang.
Thank you.
Single?
Single.
Asa dyan? Siling kugit. Ikaw.
May,
okay ka
may
na yan.
exemption na, okay na. Ari na. Ang akon nga pinalangga nga ihada, Director for Community Development
Ihada sa bunyag?
sa kasal. That's why hindi na siya single.
Hindi na single.
Si Ma'am Christine Saison.
Hello, good evening, sir. Good evening, Madam Sweet. And sa aton nga tagpalamati, good evening, man.
Okay, sa dyan eh. Hindi kita mampisa. Of course, ang GCI, well-known in siya, ilang-ilang. Madam President AC, what is GCI ilang-ilang? May damo kami bati ang GCI.
Yes.
Damo-damo ang GCI. Ano
Yes.
nisang GCI ilang-ilang?
Well, first of all, JCI is an international organization, sir, which is celebrating actually its 100 years. Sa subunggid nga 2015.
100 years?
Yes.
Centennial na ka mo?
Yes. Ang GCI as a whole,
Kabilugan,
international,
oh.
yes. International.
Okay.
And GCI Iloilo Ilang-Ilang Incorporated is just one of the, out of the more than 5,000 local chapters all over the world.
Okay.
And JCI Iloilo Ilang-Ilang is one of the 4 chapters here in the city of Iloilo.
Okay.
And we are the only all-women chapter and the first all-women chapter in Western Visayas.
Okay, that's why the name itself, GCI ilang-ilang, because ilang-ilang is a flower. It's a very rare flower. Is that what you mean?
Yes. Ilang-Ilang is a flower, but we were named by JCI Iloilo,
Mhm.
which is an all-male chapter. So, ang nag-ubra sa ang Ilang-Ilang is ang JCI Iloilo,
All male.
all-male. So, wala kami hawid kung paano kami ginngalanan Ilang-Ilang. But it was their decision, probably from Iloilo, ginubra nila nga babayi, so Ilang-Ilang because it's a flower.
Yeah, because the original base story, Ilong-Ilong is known as Irong-Irong or Ilong-Ilong. Because like a ship ang aton nga ang river naton. Daw ilong na siya lang tamo daw anong pa daw Irong-Irong. So GCI ilang-ilang all female.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
How are you as president?
Okay, good sir. Very overwhelming, very happy. Medyo kapoy na, pero hambal nila gani kung kapoy kami ni may ginaobra ka. So, mas may na nga kapoy-kapoy kami and the rest of the board because we really find satisfaction and fulfillment in the activities that we do.
Yeah, it's good enough, no, partner, because bago kita mag-get down sa mga seryosong abutang, and you guys, most of you are singles, lawyers, engineers, grabe yung mga positions. how can you were able to cope with your life? Single, president, officer, very very famous sa GCI ilang Iloilo. Like specifically to you, Madam President, you are single, very beautiful, and available. What? Come on, you're on cam.
Yes, available.
I mean, paano mo naman na lang na focus ang life mo? Like Carol she's now prosecutor. As paano na focus ang life
Well, for me, sir, it's all about time management. It's also about focusing on kung ano gid activities nimo. And basically, because GCI is an organization that develops people and trains people, so sa GCI kami actually learn kung paano mo i-manage not only a project, but even your own life. So, before, kaya amon past president si Madam Sweet, nakita ko man kung paano niya ginhandle ang iyang mga activities. So, it's basically just putting into perspective or priority kung anong unahon mo for the day.
Time management.
Like, yes,
Prosecutor
time management.
Carol. Duway kayo mo, Carol ka man Japon, manaya-naya ang nawong, matahom kag prosecutor na subong. It should not be, subong sila mo, available ka mo Japon. It would be very intimidating ang inyong position now. So, ang mga lalaki, kulban na siya mag-approach, doon na intimidated siya. Lawyer, officer sang GCI ilang. Subong sa imo, prosecutor ka na, kulbaaw. How are you able to cope with that situation?
Actually, in contrast, no, kay tungod nga kun ara kaya sa opisina, ang apat ka corners malang sa nga kwarto ang imo nga makita. Pero kun ara ka sa JCI, you get along with different people of different professions. So, daw nagalapad ang akon nga network. So, siguro do part man ina siguro sang search.
Partner, may na-notice ako ha. Do hindi na ini project ang JCI ang i-project naton, no? Ang i-project naton sa buong mga love life sa mga members ang JCI ilang-ilang.
Ay, willing gini ang programa Central Point nga mangin palaag yan. Sorry, we will. Well, certainly, this program will not be giving sang ila cell number. Sorry. So, exclusively. By the way, this apat ka mo lawyers, no? And WILAP, you're all members of WILAP. And by the way, congratulations. Miss IBP National is IBP Iloilo. Believe na kamo guys, sa ating mga viewers. Miss IBP National is Attorney Pips Pilar Mio. Congratulations, Attorney Pipay. Grabe gini siya. Why to? Sa mga presentation, ara kamo tanan, no? Sa National Convention, the 15th National Convention na giniwat sa Cebu. But anyway, Attorney Lor Panira, ikaw naman niya, employed ka sa mga or you're in active practice?
Active practice,
Okay.
sir.
Why ka hindi ka employed?
Hindi.
That's good. Alisa dyan eh. Of course, you have to do your research in your pleadings and your preparation sa pag-appear sa court. Di ba Panira, partner Sweet, no? You have to prepare all those things. And then the same time, member ka Japon silang ilang sako ka man. You're occupying ang isa ka official o position sa inyong organization, no? You said you're single.
Yes, I am single.
Nga ano nagkatabo sa inyo nga nag-post ka mo single?
Amo ginang hindi na ako masabat, pero as nahambal naman sa amon president, it's actually time management, and at the same time siguro kung ara ka lang sa office amo lang na mo makita mo ubra. So I think ang JCI,
Focus.
yes. Pero joining JCI is actually open my eyes to a different whole perspective naman. Kay, para sa namba ni Prosecutor Carol, kung ara ka sa JCI, damo yung imo yung masugata mo.
Okay.
Not only nga masugata, but
Babae, lalaki,
yes.
mga
Oo, yes. Kaga, you deal with a lot of personalities. Nga lain naman niya kung ara ka sa korte, kung matubang mo, kliyente
sa
mo.
korte natin, Lord, is that sometimes akigang kita sa judge, akigang kita sa mga fiscal, because they have the control on the criminal proceedings.
Yes. Oo.
Sila ang boss natin. But, you know,
Matuod din na
correct,
siya,
no?
sir. Pero ang sa JCI naman niya actually, lain niya fulfillment ang makuha mo kung you're fulfilled as a lawyer professionally inaya. Pero
hindi
kung
siya stressful compare sa pag-practice.
ang JCI,
Yeah. Daw happy
No,
lang.
Actually, may
Yeah, I can
stress.
see it in your faces, right? You're happy ka mo.
Pero sir, may may stress level man ang JCI, but because you are among with the ladies nga, you help each other, especially sa mga project, especially sa incoming namon nga JCI week activities. So, masin kapoy ka, pero you enjoy what you do. So, hindi mo yan mabatsagan nga daw kapoy ka. It's actually one of the stress reliever man nga if you're practicing lawyer, everyday ara kada sa office mo. So kung makagwa kaya do it's especially abi ang mga ladies binga upod mo do kanami man sa mga personalities do it's actually
You compare notes.
yes you
Yung
compare
mga compare notes niya sa mga crush. May crush pa ka mo. sorry. Gusto ko lang may crush pa ka mo, guys, mga GCI people. Meron pa. Meron, no? Like, for example, namin siyang napangasawa ni George Clooney.
kung amo
She's
na
a
nga
lawyer, a
may
model, a human rights lawyer.
yes
Sabi, no? Oh, di ba, yeah, Engineer Pang, no? You're an engineer, no? And,
Yes, sir.
and busy man you're in private practice?
I'm working in the government.
Sa ano?
Sa Kaap ako.
Kaap?
Kabatuan.
Sa airport?
Mm-mm.
Ay, ba? Importante yung ni partner. Ang Kaap, mamirsa, hindi klupad plano mo. But anyway, you also enjoyed your life as a single.
Yes.
But certainly, of course, you will not remain as single na.
Hopefully not. God willing.
Oh yeah, certainly may mga partner ka muna, no? May mga partner ka muna. But